Hi guys, in this video we will see HDR high dynamic range not working on your Windows 11 system after installing Windows latest update. If you are also facing such type of issue, this is the first workaround. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system. Thereafter go to right side and open display settings. Here you will find HDR high dynamic range. Click on this option and you can see this window let a brighter and more vibrant picture for high dynamic range games, videos and apps. This depends on your PC and display section. So scroll down and select a display to view or change its settings. So choose current display as per your system. If you are using 2 display, then choose current display, and also HDR video streaming, turn the toggle button on. This display can play a streaming video in HDR mode. So turn the toggle button on and make sure that HDR video streaming is duly enabled. So you can see HDR video streaming supported message you will receive on this Windows settings page. Also calibrate to preview and adjust HDR video. So click on calibrate and drag the slider as per your choice. Thereafter go back and after calibration check whether your HDR correctly working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Update your display adapter driver. Right click on start button and choose device manager. Here under available display adapter driver, expand display adapter and right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for your drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. So apply this process for all your display adapter, and after that restart your system and check whether your HDR working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. And here from the left side of settings go to system. From the right side scroll down and go to troubleshoot, and here click on other troubleshooters. Here scroll down and you will find the option video playback troubleshooter. So run video playback troubleshoot in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. After that, don't forget to restart your system. Your issues regarding HDR high dynamic range not working after Windows update definitely be resolved.